Sometimes you just don't feel like doing anything. You know you should study, work out, or start that project, but you don't move. Why does that happen? The answer lies in the four types of motivation. Once you understand them, you'll know how to make yourself act, even when you don't feel like it. The word motivation comes from a Latin word that means to move. It's what pushes you towards something better, a better grade, a better job, or a better life. The first type is intrinsic motivation. This means doing something because you enjoy it, like playing basketball because it's fun. You don't need anyone to tell you, you just do it. The second type is extrinsic motivation. This is when you do something for an outside reward. Maybe you study to get good grades or work a job for money. You might not love it, but the reward keeps you going. Then there's pain and pleasure motivation. These two drive most of your actions. The pain of failing a test pushes you to study. The pleasure of watching your favorite show keeps you up late. Pain is often stronger than pleasure. You'll wake up early to avoid being late, but you might not wake up early just to feel good. The secret is to combine all four. Find something you enjoy, add a reward, and use both pain and pleasure to move forward. If you want real motivation, make the activity itself fun, not just the result. When you enjoy the process, rewards come naturally. Start today, pick one goal, link it with pleasure, and give yourself a reason to move.